Tenants at Woodlawn Court in Elmira are at risk of having their utilities shut off unless the complex's management company can pay the NYSEG bill in full. WENY's Lindsay Madison tells us how much the company owes and what both parties had to say today. Lindsay.
Yeah, Renata, final shut-off notices were posted to some tenant stores this morning. The notices say if the total amount owed isn't paid in full by September 23rd, the power will be shut off. And this isn't the first time this has happened. Final notices of intention to discontinue service were taped to some doors this morning at Woodlawn Court. According to a spokesperson with All County Management, Woodlawn Court's management company, they owe NYSEG approximately $682,000. The spokesperson says that includes about $209,000 in penalties. If the bill isn't paid in full by September 23rd, NYSEG says the power will be shut off.
The fact of the matter is the residents of Woodlawn pay rent with the expectation that their landlord will pay for utilities, and that is not happening. So we posted notices this morning at the apartments, and we plan to shut off 18 days from now if we have not resolved the unpaid balances.
This isn't the first time this has happened at Woodlawn Court. The property received shut-off notices in April and May of 2024. Late last October, the complex had its utilities shut off, but power was restored after about a day. Cohen says because of Woodlawn Court's minimal and infrequent payment history, this has to be addressed now.
All customers absorb the financial burden when some people don't pay.
We reached out to the spokesperson with All County Management and were given a statement. It said in part, a bad economic climate and rising costs have been compounded by penalties imposed by the utility company and how they have applied the approximately $700,000 paid to it in the last year. All County Management says they're working to prevent any utility shutoff and are taking the necessary steps to avoid one. They added their goals are to come up with a long-term solution so it doesn't happen again, which will require what they say is cooperation with local and state governments with the effort.